Hey guys, welcome back to Ballroom Feed. We're gonna do another bachata combo. This is the first 3 patterns, so it's very basic and beginner. Kind of walk it through it. We start with our side basic. Then we're gonna do our forward and back basic. We'll do the timing after, and then right into our stationary to finish it out. And then you could rinse and repeat that if you'd want. Okay, we'll do that with some timing. We'll go from another angle, I guess. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice and easy for you. If you're having a hard time keeping up here, don't forget to check out all of our videos that we break down. We have the first 3 free up here on our YouTube channel, so you can follow those tutorials and then come back to this video if you haven't already. Alright guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe here for more. If you didn't know, we do have a website, ballroomfeed.com, so if you like the bachata and you wanted to learn more, we have plenty more steps and combinations for you there. So go check it out, and we'll see you guys very soon in the next one.
Bye.